Tonight, questions remain surrounding school security and safety.
A family and the community is still grieving after 14-year-old Manuel Guzman was stabbed inside Northeast Middle School on Tuesday. He died later that night.
Today, the suspect in that case, another 14-year-old boy, made his first court appearance. Cameras were not allowed inside, but KSHB 41 News reporter Andres Gutierrez was there. He says the suspect appeared virtually along with his aunt and grandmother.
His attorney asked for the suspect to be allowed to stay at his aunt's house with a monitoring device. That request was denied. The suspect will remain in a secure juvenile facility until his next hearing. The victim's mother and stepfather sat in the front row of the courtroom today.
Guzman's mother told KSHB 41 News she doesn't understand how the suspect got a knife into the school.
I personally don't know how the metal detectors did not detect this. This has to do with responsibility of staffs in school, just like the security guards.
Next week, KCPS Superintendent Dr. Mark Bedell will speak with the Kansas City Board of Police Commissioners.
Reporter Andres Gutierrez explains how it could help lead to change and address concerns from parents.
Cameras weren't allowed inside Jackson County's Family Justice Center, where the 14-year-old student accused of stabbing Manuel Guzman appeared virtually for his first court appearance. The teen's attorney argued for house arrest, saying he doesn't have a criminal history and there is, quote, more to the story as to what happened Tuesday morning at Northeast Middle School. But the judge didn't go for it, keeping the teen suspect behind bars.
Because of the nature of the charges, a judge will eventually have to decide whether to try the teen as an adult or a juvenile.
The hearing is happening on the same day Kansas City Mayor Quinton Lucas tweeted that KCPS Superintendent Mark Bedell has accepted his invitation to speak at Tuesday's police board meeting, giving commissioners and KCPD top brass an opportunity to hear how the district is working to create a safer environment for its students, and the partnership still need to make it happen. On Thursday, Bedell told KSHB 41 News the district is doing its own investigation of the incident.
How do we get here and how do we stop it?
Her family is now suing KCPS, claiming the district mishandled a fight that led to the deadly shooting and that they didn't follow safety policies. And Guzman's death, neither police nor KCPS have said how the murder weapon, a knife, made it into the middle school.
Following this tragedy, what would you like the school district to do to prevent this from ever happening again?
To have more responsibility, more staffs, more securities. No children should go to school and not feel safe anymore. I do not believe that. School is supposed to be a place like home.
In Kansas City, Andres Gutierrez, KSHB 41 News.